India exits the phase of lockdown, various establishments such as malls, temples, and even barber shops have been allowed to open up from June 8th. We are over here to look at the new equipment and procedures that will make sure that people remain safe and maintain physical distancing norms inside these places. Considered to be important for the commercial activity in the urban centers, malls and barber shops will be allowed to open up from June 8th.
So behind me what you see is a vehicle sanitization system that has been made in-house and developed at DLF Promenade. The way that it works is that you drive through the fine mist that gets sprayed, and your entire vehicle from the outside, including all the high-touch areas that like the doorknobs and the dicky and everything sort of gets sanitized completely. We can show you a demo. Welcome to DLF Promenade, and let me show you around. Come please. So we have the entire porch which has been shot off, or rather cut into two aspects. One is a drop off, and then we have the pickup zone on the other side, which is on the right hand side. Usually what used to happen was that everybody would gather right at the entrance itself, and there would be no social distancing, or rather the concept of social distancing perhaps at that point of time was not even born. So that's where everybody would sort of gather together and wait for the vehicles and get dropped off or get picked up. We have entrances that have been made now here. So if you look at a flow, you have the social distancing norms that have been put in, canopies that have been put in to protect our customers from the harsh sun, and the guests would move from here into the mall. At the mall here, what will happen is as we walk in, we will have the temperature check done by the guard here, and the guests would come, stand around, right? This is the spot where the temperature check would happen, and the position where the temperature check usually will be done will be on approximately an inch below your ear. That is a recommended place that we speak about. Walking further, a sanitization mat has been prepared, and the gentleman will spray the sanitizer. We will come across, we'll step on it. The sole of your feet will also get sanitized in this process.
Not just retail therapy, but also the spiritual one has been allowed under this phase of unlock. We are over here at a temple where not only 2 people at a given point of time would be allowed, but everyone would be required to wear their face mask and would also not be allowed to either touch any idols or any religious books. पंडित जी कुछ बताइए कि यहाँ पे ये जितने भी नॉर्म्स हैं जिनको सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म्स कहते हैं जी, ये कैसे फॉलो किए जाएंगे? कितने लोग एक वक्त में अंदर आ सकते हैं? वो कैसे प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं? वो कुछ चढ़ाना चाहें तो वो कैसे होगी? ये सारी चीजें कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में। जी,
सर्वप्रथम तो हमारे यहाँ जब भीड़ होंगे तो हम 2-2 आदमी करके अंदर आने देंगे, ठीक है? अंदर आएंगे 2-2 आदमी, घंटी नहीं बजाएंगे। अंदर जाकर के मंदिर के इधर जब जाएंगे तो विग्रह में हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे, दूर से प्रणाम करेंगे उनको, तो प्रार्थना करते हैं, विग्रह में हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे।
और कोई प्रसाद भी नहीं दे सकते?
नहीं, प्रसाद अभी नहीं चढ़ाएंगे और न देंगे किसी को।
मालाएं अगर कुछ कोई माला
नहीं, पुष्प माला भी अभी नहीं, अभी क्योंकि पता नहीं कैसे कैसे माला है, क्या है नहीं है।
पंडित जी, शिवलिंग पे लोग पानी जल चढ़ाते हैं, तो
ऊपर से जल चढ़ाते हैं, जल के लिए ऊपर से, लेकिन और नहीं कुछ, और टच नहीं कर सकते। टच नहीं, हाथ नहीं लगा सकते।
Kanika, what all safety as well as hygiene promotion measures have you instituted over here in the salon?
So my staff is all given a PPE kit, which includes disposable apron, disposable gloves and disposable shoe covers, along with a head cover and a head shield, which is very important, and definitely masks. All our tools are sanitized, social distancing is really followed, so we are not using all our capacity in the salon. special seats have been allocated so that no 2-3 clients are sitting together. Our shampoo stations, our railings, our seats, all basically the touch points of the client are sanitized. Who enter the salon, we do a thermal checking, we offer them gloves, shoe covers, and we feel that it's very important for them to wear it for their safety and as well for us.
Even as new procedures and equipment are being used at places like malls, temples, as well as hair salons to make them more hygienic and safe for customers as well as devotees to attend, it seems that awareness and physical distancing norms will remain the key to defeating this virus. On the eve of Unlock 1, when India finally emerges from the shadow of the lockdown, this is Rohit Vaid for INS TV.